seated position? Yes. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind. Beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I praised with all my mind. I shall achieve you my potential inside. Just rub your hand. Put it in your face. Rub your hand. Put it in your face. Rub your hand. Put it in your face. Wow, very good. Shall we do a warm up or not? Good morning, Sai. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good morning. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, ma'am.
Happy New Year to Kanna. Okay, shall we start warm up or not? Yes or no? Are you excited to do warm up after a long time? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So everyone stand up. Get up, get up, get up on the chair. Get up, get up. Everyone stand up. Yes. Today is the first day. I want to everyone have full energy. Am I right? So show me your energy, everyone. Okay? Yes or no? Everyone have a lots of energy today. Am I right? Yes. Okay. Wait. Do. Right side. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Touch your toes, touch your toes. Roll. Jump. Jump up high, jump up high. Round. Round. Round, fast. Stop. Wow. Very nice. Lovely. Super. For this energy, everyone have ice cream. For you. Everyone like ice cream? Yes. Yes. Super. Ice cream for everyone. Drink water, okay? Good morning, P. Nishwant. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. Happy New Year, Kanna.
Happy New Year, Kanna.
How are you?
I am fine.
You are fine. Oh, wow.
Yes, cool.
Super. Once again, I will say, today what is the date, kids? How many days are in the week? 7 days are in the week. How many days are in the week? 7. 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 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. How many days are in the week? 7. Okay. How many year? We have a. How many months are in the year? 12. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. We haven't. How many months are there? There are 12 months. How many months? 12 months. What month is going on? This is a new year. January. Very good. Now what year came? 2020? 2021 is went back. Now 2022 came. Wow, superb, na?
Today Monday. What is the day?
So once again, Happy New Year and good morning.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And welcome, Kanna. Okay, how many days? Today, what is the date, kids? Yes, 3rd January
Date on the
2021. What is the day today?
2021.
Yes, and what is the day today?
Monday.
Monday is the first day. What is the day today?
Monday.
Monday. Very good, kids. Okay. So before I asked you, how many members are there in your family? Everyone have a family. I have also family. I have also big family. You also have a big family. In family, how many generally in one family? 4 members are there. How many members are there?
4 members.
Sai Lakshmi, how many members are there in your family?
3.
Only 3. Okay. And what others? How many others also you can count?
3 பேர் தானே இருக்கீங்க அதுதான் mistake.
6. Okay. Venus one have a 6.
No.
Only okay. Everyone have a grandma, grandpa? Yes or no? Yes?
Say yes, ma'am.
3. Just like you told me, Sai Lakshmi, you have a 3 member. That is a small family. Big family, how many members are there in the big family? Yeah, so many members are there. Like mama, papa, brother, sister, grandma, grandpa, uncle, aunt, cousins. There are so many
நான் ஃபேமிலில இருக்கேன்.
members are there in big family. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. Everyone have a big family, yes or not? Everyone have a big
Yes.
family? If you have a big family, show me your thumb. Everyone have a big family. Wow, super. I also have a big family. So give me a high five.
High five.
Wow, super. So like that one boy is there. Okay. He also have a family and he is also enjoying with her family.
ஒரு பையனை
When he go out, he will go with her family and he will enjoying a lot. Are you enjoying with your family?
Yes.
Are you enjoying with your family?
Yes. சொல்லு.
How much enjoy with your family with a grandma or grandpa? How many members are there? You are enjoying with your grandma and grandpa? When you go for the native, all of you are enjoying with your grandma, grandpa?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Later we discuss about this. Everyone's want rhymes or not? Tell me.
Right.
Rhymes. Wow. You know, I have a new rhymes for you. Okay.
Okay.
Are you excited for this new year or new rhymes? Yes. Okay. How many fingers are there? 10 fingers. In one fingers, we assume family members like daddy, mummy, brother, sister, or small baby like that. We can assume, okay? Okay, what finger is this? Did you know about the fingers? Yes or no? Did you know about the fingers? No? So I will tell you, okay? This is a thumb finger. What finger is this? Show me a finger like this. Show me a finger like this, everyone. Yes. This is a thumb finger. This is an index finger. This is a middle finger. This is a ring finger. This is a ring finger. And this is a baby finger. Okay? Shall I introduce one more time? Thumb finger, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, baby finger. Okay? Like that. Father, mother, brother, sister, baby finger. Okay? You know, very frequently rhymed is this. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mama finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? What about next? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Wow, super! Everyone repeat this rhymes, okay, at home, okay? Like that, I have one more rhymes for you. Okay, show me a finger like this. Yeah. And show me a thumb. Show me a thumb. Show me a thumb. So yeah, show me a thumb like this. Do everyone like this. Okay. First I will sing, then you repeat with me. Okay. First listen to me, then you repeat with me. Okay. What finger is this? Thumb finger. Thumbkin he can sing. Thumbkin he can dance. Thumbkin he can sing. Thumbkin he can dance. We all go merrily up together. We go all merrily down together. We all clap hands. We all clap hands. We all clap hands. Shall we do once again? Show me our thumb finger. Thumbkin he can sing. Thumbkin he can dance. Thumbkin he can sing. Thumbkin he can dance. We all go merrily up together. We all go merrily down together. We all clap hands. We all clap hands. Sorry. Index he can sing. Index he can dance. Index he can sing. Index he can dance. We all go merrily up together. We all go merrily down together. We all go merrily up together. We all go merrily down. We all clap hands. We all clap hands. Taller one can sing. Taller one can sing. Taller one can dance. Taller one can sing. Taller one can dance. We all go merrily up together. We all go merrily down together. We all go merrily up together. We all go merrily down together. We all clap hands. We all clap hands. We all clap hands. Ring he can sing. Ring one he can dance. Ring he can sing. Ring he can dance. We all go merrily up together. We all go merrily down together. We all go merrily up together. We all go merrily down together. We all clap hands. We all clap hands. Then what will be there next? Baby one can sing, baby one can dance, baby one can sing, baby one can dance. We all go merrily up together, we all go merrily down together, we all clap hands, we all clap hands. Yay! Superb! Did you like this rhyme? If you like this rhyme, show me your thumb. Show me your thumb. No? Nishwant, you don't like this rhymes? Be Nishwant. No? Why, Kanna? Oh, are you not enjoying? Okay, I have another rhymes for you. 1 second. Everyone knows about the boat. B for?
Boat.
Boat. Ba?
Boat.
Boat. Yes. How you go for the boat?
Apple.
Just row your boat. Row your boat. Everyone row your boat like this. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Shall I once again do? Yes or no? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Then you go for the boat ride, na? Then you sing this rhymes, okay? You can repeat this rhymes at home, okay? Then you remember this rhyme. I shall be once again. I tell you, row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Yay, super. Okay. Shall I once again do this rhymes or no? Yes or no? Show me a thumb or no. Thumbkin he can sing, Thumbkin he can dance. We all go merrily up together, we all go merrily down together, we all clap hands, we all clap hands. Index he can sing, Index he can dance. We all go merrily up together, we all go merrily down together, we all clap hands, we all clap hands. Taller one can sing, taller one can dance, taller one can sing, taller one can dance. We all go merrily up together, we all go merrily down together, we all clap hands, we all clap hands. Ringer he can sing, ringer he can dance, ringer he can sing, ringer he can dance. We all go merrily up together, we all go merrily down together, we all clap hands, we all clap hands. Baby one can sing, baby one can dance. We all go merrily up together, we all go merrily down together, we all clap hands, we all clap hands. Wow, super. So now I have to explain you about the family, okay? One boy is there, he have a lots of members are there in a family. What is this, kid? This is a family. Mama, mother, father, brother, sister, one more brother, and small baby and grandma, grandpa are there in big family. Are there in big family. Did you know, kids, who is he? He is a Rahul. Who is he?
Rahul.
Rahul.
Rahul. Rahul is introducing a family. Let's see. Help me introduce a Rahul family members. There are so many members are there in Rahul family.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi. Hi, good morning, Nishwant. How are you? Happy New Year.
Hi, friend.
Yeah, just
Come here.
go in mute, Nishwant. This is a Rahul mother. Who is he? He is a Rahul father. He is a Rahul grandfather. He is a Rahul grandmother. In the Rahul family, there are so many members are there. Rahul father, Rahul mother, brother, sister, grandma and grandpa. So like that, Rahul introduced her family. So tomorrow, all of you take a family picture, okay? And tomorrow you have to introduce about your family. Can you tell me when you with your family what you do? Any one thing? Did you enjoy with your family? Rahul is enjoying playing cricket with his father.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Rahul's sister is enjoying a listening story with his grandma. What about you? Tell me one example. Tell me any one thing. With your mother or father, what you have to do to like?
I will play with my daddy. Solle.
Tell me.
With my daddy.
Anna, solle.
Play with my daddy.
With my daddy. I will play
With my daddy.
Ma'am, I will play with my daddy. Solle. Solle. சத்தமா
Are you playing with?
My daddy.
Oh wow, super. What about Kaushik? What about Kaushik?
I play cricket with daddy. Ma'am, ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳಾರ? ಅಂತೀನಿ. Ma'am, no.
Okay, everyone enjoying with your family, like na? Someone is enjoying with story with the grandma. Someone playing with her father. Someone is doing help with her mother. Am I right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. Yes? Okay. Before the holiday, what I taught you, everyone remember or not? Tell me yes or no. What were the letters I taught you before the holiday? How many letters I taught you? How many letters I taught you? Letter A, B, C, D. Am I right?
Yes.
How many letters I taught you?
4 letters.
4 letters.
4 letter. Wow, okay. Again, I will introduce that 4 letter, okay? What is this, kid? What letter is this? A for?
Apple.
Yes.
Apple.
Apple. Ant. Ant.
Apple.
Arrow. Aeroplane.
I got the elephant. A for
Alligator. Wow, super.
A for
What letter is this?
ball.
Ball.
B for
butterfly.
the capability
Bee. Balloon.
Ball.
Yes, kids, just go in mute. I will ask you.
B for butterfly. B for
Kids, go in
balloon.
mute. C for cat. Cat. C for cat. Cake. Cake. C for cow. Cow. C for crayons. C for crayons. C for castle. C for car. C for camel. What is letter D? D for dog.
அங்க பக்கத்துல.
Dog.
ம்.
Drum. Duck. Dolphin. Deer. Dots. Doll. Today I will introduce one new letter. Did you know what is that, kids?
சொல்லு.
What letter is there? That.
ஈ சொல்லு.
Everyone remember that sound? A sound. Everyone remember? Sound rhyme.
ஏ sound என்ன? சொல்லு.
Letter A sound.
ஆ.
And some arms. And some arms. And some arms. They causing me alarm. What letter does it come? Letter B.
ஈ. ஏக்கு அப்புறம்
Letter bring your bag. Bring your bag and bring your ball. Choose the part she play. What letter will become next? Yes, C. We are clicking castle nest. We are clicking castle nest.
இல்லைன்னா
We are clicking castle nest. Clicking castle nest. Clicking castle nest. We are clicking castle nest. What letter will become next? E.
டி.
We might play on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun. Da 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 da. See me play on my drum. What letter will become next?
ஈக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன? ஈ சொல்லு.
E. Egg in the pan. Egg in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Crack it and get pan.
ம்.
What letter will that?
ஈ சொல்லு. ம்.
Again. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun. Da 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 da. See me play on my drum.
ரம்.
Okay. What letter will become next? Egg in the pan. Egg in the pan. Crack the egg like this. Crack the egg like this. How you crack that? Crack the egg like this. I don't know how to crack the egg. Egg in the pan. Egg in the pan. Egg in the pan. Crack the egg like this. Okay. Did you enjoy this rhymes or not? Tell me yes or no.
எஸ் கம்.
Yes. Okay. Very good. So,
అదంతా ఇవ్వలేదు. సరే కూర్చో.
did you know, kids, what is this? Letter?
ఏం లెటర్ ఇది?
இது என்ன
What letter is this?
சத்தமா சொல்லு. ஈ சொல்லு. ம்.
What letter is this?
ஈ.
Letter?
E.
E. Okay. What is this? Sorry.
ఇటు చూడు దిస్ ఏం తెలియదు.
Okay, I will show you this. What is this? E for?
E for
E for?
engine.
Engine. E
Engine.
for? Egg.
Abba.
E for? Elbow. Show me elbow. Show me elbow. Everyone, show me your elbow. Show me your elbow. Yes. Show me your elbow. Very good. You know one more E sound. E letter rhymes is that. Did you know? No.
Yeah.
Engine start with E. Start with E. Start with E. Egg and engine start with E. Elbow to start with E. Made with one long standing line. Standing line. Standing line. Made with one long standing line. Sleeping line 3. Sleeping line 3. Egg and engine start with E. Start with E. Start with E. Egg and engine start with E. Elbow to start with E. Made with long one standing line. Standing line. Standing line. Made with one long standing line. Sleeping line 3. Sleeping line 3. What is this, kid?
Try it.
Engine. What is this? Elbow. What is this? Egg. What is this? Egg. What letter is this?
Elbow.
This is a capital letter E. And what is this? Small letter E. E for egg.
Egg.
For
For egg.
egg. E for
Engine.
Engine.
engine. E for
Elbow.
elbow. E for
Elephant.
elephant. E for envelope. E for
பேரு என்ன?
envelope. E for envelope. Yes. Okay. Everyone get up. Everyone get up and bring some ball. Bring one ball. Everyone get up and bring one ball. Everyone get up, fast, fast, quickly, quickly. Everyone get up and bring one ball. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. We play a game. Get up, get up, get up. Everyone get up. Yes. What about others? Wow. Everyone get the ball and go back. Go back. Go back. If you get the ball, go back. Yes. Do your ball up. Everyone do your ball up. And touch your knees. Touch your knees. Touch your knees like this. Yes. Take your ball and touch your knees. Yes. Again, like this, touch. Bend your knee, bend your knee, bend your knee like this. I will show to you. Bend your knee as like this. You touch. Everyone stand up and bend your knee and touch your ball. Again, touch your knee, next knee, left side knee. Yes. Again. Again. Yes. Do the cycling with the ball. Standing and with the do the cycling. Do the cycling with your ball. Did you know? Okay, lie down, everyone, lie down. Lie down. Everyone lie down. Everyone lie down. Just lie down. Yes. And bend your knee up. Bend your knee up. One hand you take the ball. One hand you take the ball. And do the cycling. Put your hands up and do the cycling. Yes. Do the cycling. Put your leg up. Yes, Jasna is doing good. Yes, very good. Now touch your toes to the ball. Touch your toes to the ball. When you do the cycling and then next you touch the toes to the ball. Touch your toes. While cycling you doing now, you have to touch the ball. No. Sai Lakshmi, just you lie down. How you lie down? Jasna did correct now. Before Jasna, once again do. Look at the Jasna. Jasna again do. Look at the Jasna is doing. Jasna, take your ball and do the cycling. Yes. Now you touch your toes. Touch your toes to the ball. Touch your toes to the ball. Yes. Very good. Very good. Like that everyone do? Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now come back to your chair. Everyone super. Come back to your chair. Come back to your chair. Did you know, kids, one day we play a game, a listening skill game. What is that? Pritika, just switch on your camera. One day we play a game. Who remember that game? Teacher says listening skill. Am I right? What you have to do? You have to listen my words carefully and you have to do that. Am I right? If I don't say teacher says, that work you don't want to do. Yes? Am I correct? Okay. Listen very properly. Pritika, just go and switch on your camera. I want to see you, Kanna. Pritika.
The camera is on, ma'am.
Okay, I do not see, ma'am. That's why. Sorry. Okay. Shall we start? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. Teachers says, blink your eyes 5 times. Teacher says, blink your eyes 5 times. Teacher says, jump 3 times. Teacher says, jump 3 times. Tap your hair 5 times. Tap your hair 5 times. This is incorrect. Did I say teacher says? Satvik is out. Satvik is out. Satvik is out. Teacher says, hop, hop, hop. Teacher says, hop, hop, hop. Teacher says, hop, hop, hop. Right. Right. Very good, chill. Teacher says laugh. Laugh. Big laugh. Teacher says big laugh. Yes, show me. Yes, yes, yes. Teacher says bend. Back. Kick your ball. Kick your ball. Kick your ball. Kick your ball. Very good, kids. Very good. Good listening, huh? Teacher says dance. 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 Teacher says sit. Teacher says sit. Kritika out. Nishwant out. Nishwant out. You don't listen what I say. Teacher says sit. No, you didn't sit. Cry. Cry. Very good. Teacher says up and down, up and down, up and down. Do up and down, up and down. Teacher says up and down. Teacher says up and down. Sai Lakshmi, just come front of the sofa and do. Teacher says up and down, up and down, up and down. Tap your hair. Very good, very good. Teacher says hop 3 times. Hop 3 times. Hop, hop, hop. 3 times you have to hop, hop, hop. Kritika, what about you? Why you are not doing hop, hop, hop? You don't want to do hop, hop, hop. Do hop, hop, hop. Okay. The winner is, who is the winner? Sai Lakshmi.
Yay!
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
A cupcake for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Super. Again, I will play this game, but you have to listen properly what ma'am says. When I say teacher says, that activity only you have to do. When I don't say teacher says, then you don't need to do that thing. Okay, Kritika? This is your first time, but others did before also. Am I right? Yes or no? Yes, na? So again, you have to listen properly what I say, then you have to do. When I say teacher says, then you have to do that one. Okay? Okay? Very good. Okay. Tell me the sound of B. Tell me the sound of B, P, Nishwan. P, Nishwan, where are you?
He just went to the restroom. He'll come
Okay,
back.
fine, fine. Okay, Kritika, tell me the sound of B. Tell me the sound of B, Kanna. Yes, very good, Kritika. Superb, superb. Clap your hands. Satvik, tell me the sound of C. Ka, ka, ka. Wow, it's ka, ka. It's not ka, ka, Kanna. It's ka, ka. Okay? What is that? Ka, ka. Okay?
Say loudly.
Yes, very good. Super. Clap your hand. Kaushik, tell me the sound of A. A for what? And tell me the sound of A. Okay. Everyone take your pen. Everyone have a color paint now. And take your worksheet also. Everyone take your pen. Color paint. Not sketch, crayons. Take your color box. Everyone take your color box. Everyone take your color box, Kana. We'll do the worksheet. Worksheet page number is that D31CTWS01. Worksheet page number is D31CTWS01. This is a picture of worksheet. Open that worksheet and show me. Open your workbook. Show me. The page will be like this. Thumb printing on the dress of the family member using different colors. Show me your page. Did you got the page? Parents, yes. Did you got the page? Page number is D31 CTWS01.
No, ma'am. Actually, we don't have it in this workbook.
Just see once again, ma'am.
Yeah.
What about others?
No, ma'am. That
You don't find it, ma'am.
In the another workbook, can you please see?
We have these two only in workbook. Yes, ma'am. We workbook we have only part 3 and midterm. So in both the workbooks.
It's not there in both the worksheets, ma'am.
It's not there for.
Page number 31, ma'am.
Yeah,
Not there. No, there is no 31.
31 no.
31 was not there, ma'am. Okay, just do a. You have to take a one white color sheet and draw one picture. I will find out with the ma'am, and then I will let you know once again. But today you have to do. You have to draw a picture. You have to draw a picture
இது என்னமோ பண்ணி அது இது
like this.
என்ன பண்ணி
కెమెరా
ఎత్తుడి నువ్వే ఇక్కడ ఉంది చూడ ఇది ఇట్లా పుల్ చేస్తా
చెయ్యి
ఇక్కడ హుక్ చేయి నేను చేస్తా తెలుసు కదా
Yes, sir.
పోరా మిస్ తెలుస్తుంది కూర్చో.
Draw one any family member. Invite me. Pritika, are you drawn, baby? Just show me. Show the picture. It's a sample, ma'am. Draw any one family member. Yeah. Do one circle, do eyes, nose, and everything, and draw a dress. Everyone draw. Yes, very good. Thank you. Just a second, I will pin your skin. Parent, Satvik mom, once again, can you please show to the parents, other parents? Yes. Like that, you can draw. In the stomach, you can do the thumb printing. Thumb printing. Yes, very good. Wow, super nice drawing, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, everyone drawn? Just show me. Tap your thumb finger to the color and print it. Yeah. In her dress. Do the thumb printing. Middle of the dress. like this. If you complete it, show me. Wow, super. Super, super. Very good. Kids, tomorrow take a small dog. Wheat dog, chapati dog, everyone have at home little bit. This much is enough. Or if you have a clay, that is also okay. Okay, if you don't have a clay, make a chapati dog this much, little bit, this much. Okay. Okay. Tomorrow we do activity with the chapati dog. Okay. Now I have to wind up our session. It's time to say bye-bye. Very good, everyone. Keep it up.
Mine is complete.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye, kids.
Love.
Bye, bye. Bye. Bye, everyone. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Bye. Bye.